Hi and good afternoon. My name is Bob Muro and I'm a field applications engineer from Pentec Embedded Products. And I'm here today to basically explain what COTS, software-defined radio, actually is and why it might benefit you when you're trying to create a sophisticated radio platform. Now here at the RF and Microwave Show, there's many people interested in 5G, and there is quite a large bit of complications that are involved in moving the current cellular system 4G to 5G, and some of that has to do with the signal requirements that are there. They're moving to ultra-wideband signals that are 400 megahertz wide. They are requiring very high frequency carriers at 28 to 39 gigahertz that have very high path losses, and then they're also using very sophisticated massive MIMO antennas that require phase alignment, and they have many, up to 128 elements at this point, so those are independent channels that require all the data to be phase coherent. So one of the things that a COTS supplier can do is we deliver boards and software-defined radio in small packages like I'm looking here. So we're currently using a Xilinx RF-SoC, so it's their complete system on chip. It includes A to Ds, D to As, ARM processors, and FPGA fabric, all in one chip. That's the power of the chip. So as a COTS provider, what we do is we enhance this capability by providing substrate and connectorization to this. So this chip, there's a little better picture of it. You can see a more real-life picture of it, is actually what we're looking at on the screen there. We're looking at a 1 gigahertz signal and a tone, and we're doing a loopback test. So you see here, we've got the transmitter output, the receiver input. We've got a 1 gigahertz bandpass filter with 500 megahertz of bandpass capability. And you can see we've got about 65 dB of spurious-free dynamic range. So generally speaking, what a COTS provider does is they take an existing product like the Xilinx FPGA, and we make it a more practical, usable tool for someone who's creating, let's say, software radios. So in particular, when people are doing 5G and they're doing a base station, these devices, now they're fully connectorized. They can be ganged together for multiple channel MIMO. So this is an 8-channel transceiver. So you can 4 of these, now you have 32, and so on to have a very large, massive MIMO antenna system. And the other component to this is the software IP that's involved in creating it. So as a COTS provider, much of the IP that's generally used for moving the data from the A to Ds to the memory, the DMA access and the engines, and also the digital down converters, digital up converters, that IP is provided by a COTS provider. And we give this to you so you kind of get a leg up on creating your radio. So we take care of the more mundane tasks of the connectorized version, and also to make it so it's a simpler way for you to get started on your way to creating whatever your radio system's going to be. And you can come and see us at booth 2000. We're in the 5G pavilion. There's 6 of us there, and it's very easy to see us, and we're Pentec, we're right in the front booth. So thank you for participating, and have a nice day.